This phone number can't be used by iMessage and Facetime. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Guys, in this short tutorial we will discuss about if you are trying to set up iMessage and Facetime on your iPhone and iPad and you are facing this type of issue. This phone number can't be used by iMessage and Facetime. So in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can solve this issue. So let's try to solve this issue without wasting any time. So guys, to solve this problem, first of all you have to open the settings application of your iPhone, scroll down and tap on mobile service. Now scroll down and here you will see delete eSIM, click on it. After that you have to delete your eSIM from your iPhone and then add it again after some time. Guys, if you use a physical SIM instead of an eSIM, then remove the SIM from your iPhone for a while and then insert it again. Removing and reinserting the SIM usually solve the problem. If that doesn't solve your problem, then make sure the number you entered in Apple ID is the same SIM in your iPhone. If there is a difference between your SIM and your entered number, then you will see this problem, and this problem occurs because of that. So guys, after reinserting the SIM card and confirming the number, now go to the settings application. Now scroll down and click on apps. Then go to messages. Here turn off iMessage for a while and then turn it back on. Now tap on send and receive and here select your number. Guys, here a number will appear on your screen. You have to select your number and your problem will be resolved on your iPhone. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video.